Hello everyone. So again, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Rover Sport Supercharged 2005 model, and this is the daytime review, so you can see much better than the other video that we did in the night time. So have a look here. Everything is fit perfectly fine, and it sits nicely on the right and on the left. Okay, so everywhere is perfectly sit. This is 9-inch full package, wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, which on the screen is wireless Android Auto connecting with our Android phone, recording this video at this moment. And the car came with a 4G entertainment system. The head unit and the screen and the radio was constantly restarting and intermittently stop, so it definitely didn't work. And we also found that the fiber optic cable system didn't have any signal from here and from the amplifier position. So at the end we decided to fit the new 9-inch system here, the advanced model with the built-in very strong digital amplifier that help to tune up the sound very nice. It has Wi-Fi internet ready and SIM card internet ready, and also we replaced the factory amplifier underneath of the driver's seat, and we fit in with the new adaptive and subwoofer, adaptive amplifier and subwoofer made by Pioneer. And at this moment the new amplifier and subwoofer already been connect correctly with the new head unit and tune up, and the system here also connect correctly to all the wiring and speakers, so the sound is at a very satisfied level. And also we don't forget to add in the reverse camera at the back of the tailgate, so yep, you can definitely see that the camera was heavy. Okay, so that is the way the camera stay underneath and in the middle of the middle of the tailgate and underneath of the number plate. So here's how the reverse camera is working. Okay, super clear, super detailed, and very, very nice. It works instantly with the reverse gear, when we pull the gear stick. Okay, so yep, that's about our main system, and it's 9-inch full package, perfectly fit into the Range Rover Sport. This one will be suitable for Range Rover Sport from 2005 to the 9 model. So if in case you have something like this car, just give us a buzz, we will get it done for you. So thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.